All right, so replacing the trailer light that broke out. We're replacing it with the 6-inch submersible oval LED light. Bought it on Amazon, and I'm going to try to replace it. So I've done one side already, and I've identified that this rubber plastic housing doesn't fit in this trailer. So needing to just remove it, kind of peel it up off all the edges, and then I'm going to use the original since I still have both of the originals. Still not easy, but you can kind of sort of get it to where it works. Really got that sealed on there well, or perhaps while it's sitting on Amazon shelves, it's sitting there forever. But first things first, taking those two parts apart, and then it comes with some wiring that you could tie into the existing electrical, but everything I need is right here. So yeah, see how long it takes to put number 2 in. Haha, got it. Ta-da. Not exactly the easiest thing I've ever done. Don't plan on having to replace those again. Again, bought the trailer used, so it has a little TLC that needs done. So the only reason I'm replacing the brakes is one of the doors fell off a while back, and about to do a project where I'm going to need the doors. So I'm going to drive it to a welder and see how much it's going to cost to get this thing fixed and back on the road. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. All right, now that we spent all that time, let's see if these lights work. Well, all in all, I'd say it's a success. Hopefully, like I said earlier, this wasn't terribly boring. Hopefully it helped at least one person for the future. So yeah, keep watching, like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content.